This week, swipe your American Express debit card at any retailer or for online purchases to stand a chance to win a weekend stay at any hotel valued up to 30,000 Rand. Welcome to my fans on TV, Standard Bank Cup semi-finals, Stellenbosch 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by fan, my brother Lebitso ke Mangutoko guy.
Lebitso ke Tumelo. Matatiele Konchodu.
Stum Zero, we want to game today.
Game ke bona hantle ngwana so game papetso hantle holo. Ke bona re le Masanda wana re winile mareng Stellenbosch ba petse bolo entle.
Yeah. Ke nnete. Man of the match o le mang.
Wa tseba ka bagala mo fere frola etsala ka la bana ke qeteletse ke tshilo bana.
Yeah. Wena o sheba game.
Man of the match ya ka nka efa Kholiso Motau. Motau.
Ha mo ba petse no Seila ba motloele. Mo prero lo dlala le Pirates.
Brayaga. Yeah. Kilo dlala le Pirates go final.
Yes.
Ha kilo bapala di penalty kilo win a straight win. Obvious.
To win. Yeah. We want Sundowns to win.
Why do you want Sundowns to win?
Because our neighbors are our eminent enemies.
Yes.
We do not like our enemies.